Today I'm making Homestyle Beef and Noodles from the 5-ingredient Diabetic Diet Cookbook for Beginners. You can get this on Amazon. It's linked below. For this recipe, you're going to need 5 pounds ground beef, 85% lean, browned, drained, and rinsed. 4 cups cooked whole wheat egg noodles. I couldn't find just regular egg noodles. This is penny. It's going to have to do. I went to 3 stores and this is what I got. 1 batch of homemade cream of mushroom soup, which can be found on page 52 of this cookbook. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, however you say it, sauce, low sodium preferred, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of black pepper. You can optionally put in 1/2 of a chopped onion, but we're not going to do that today. So I have already ground my beef in my skillet, strained it, drained it, rinsed it to get all that fat out of there. That takes about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm actually dragging out the biggest bowl I can find for this because the mixing of this sounds like it could get messy. I'm putting my ground beef into the bowl first, and I'm going to add this full pan of the homemade cream of mushroom soup. That's a sound. And stir well. The nutritional facts for this recipe are 448 calories, 35 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, 46 carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, and 336 milligrams of sodium. This really didn't take much to mix up, honestly. Now add in your 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce. However you say it, it doesn't matter. There's bigger problems in the world than how people say this sauce. Give it a quick stir. It smells really good. I'm going to mix in some black pepper. This is like a seriously quick recipe. You can make things up in advance. Like I did the noodles yesterday and I just did the soup, but you can mix it up in advance and then have a nice hot meal super quick. And then you add your cooked noodles and gently fold until creamy and evenly combined. In they go. We're just going to stir these in, and this just forms like a little sauce on them. Each of these servings is 1 cup. There we go. All done. Let's try it. Let's get a little bit of everything. Really good. This was so easy that it would make a great meal prep recipe. You could cook it at the beginning of the week because a lot of these things all together will just kind of marry together while it's refrigerated. If you know you're going to have a busy week, make this up, have it in the fridge. It's a great grab and go, and then you don't have to be eating out. See you next time.